Leap Cosmos Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Leap Cosmos Wallet app is making waves in the Cosmos ecosystem, but what makes it stand out, and where does it fall short? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, Leap Wallet is designed specifically for the Cosmos network, which means it supports compatible chains like Osmosis, Juno, and Secret Network. This gives users seamless access to the ever-growing Cosmos DeFi universe. One major advantage is simplicity. Leap's user interface is sleek and intuitive. Even beginners can manage staking, governance, and swaps without confusion. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Leap matters. It's not just a wallet, it's an all-in-one portal into Cosmos-based apps. Another strong point is non-custodial security. You hold your own private keys, ensuring full control of your funds. Leap also integrates with Ledger hardware wallets, adding another layer of protection. The wallet offers in-app staking, allowing you to delegate tokens directly and earn rewards without leaving the app. Plus, its multi-chain support means you can view all your Cosmos assets in one place, a convenience that most wallets still lack. Now, for the cons. Leap is currently limited to the Cosmos ecosystem, so if you hold Bitcoin or Ethereum, you'll need separate wallets. Another potential issue is mobile performance. While the browser extension runs smoothly, the mobile app is still improving and may lag during high activity periods. Lastly, because it's a new wallet, it doesn't yet have the same track record or battle-tested reputation as older names like Keplr. In conclusion, the Leap Cosmos Wallet app is a sleek, secure, and beginner-friendly gateway into the Cosmos ecosystem. The surprising truth: if you're deep into Cosmos, this wallet could easily become your go-to, but for multi-chain investors, you might want to pair it with another tool.